natural qualities. We have all experienced these qualities when we were young. But as we grow up, we forget our natural qualities. Rather, we are forced to forget. Can we dream of a learning system where our natural qualities are encouraged for future sustainability of the individual and also our planet? Parisar Asha is Gloria's dream to change the education system to provide joyful learning for a sustainable future through the environment for the environment. Gloria de Souza, a school teacher, created revolution in the history of Indian education with her not-for-profit registered trust, Parisar Asha. Gloria was the first Ashoka Fellow and has been awarded with international recognition as a social entrepreneur.
My sister Gloria, who was the founder, who went through many difficulties in setting up the roots of this place. She had difficulties, but they never deterred her from moving onward. She had a sustained determination to change things.
Today, Parisar Asha is spearheaded by Ms. Aarti Savur with a team of professionals from various national and international backgrounds. Parisar Asha is supporting public and private schools to provide affordable, joyful education at par with global standards.
Government says right to education. We believe at Parisar Asha right to right education. To support our educational institutions to provide quality education and also creative education, Parisar Asha has various unique programs. One of the signature program is Ecotech World School program, because what we believe that today the need is to be eco. Eco is not only your environment, but it can be also your economy, and tech is a technique to live life.
Ecotech World School program is a wholesome program to empower schools to address the challenges of 21st century educational needs while maintaining the fundamentals and identity of the school intact through its unique pedagogy of ESAL, environmental studies approach towards learning. This comprehensive program provides global curriculum suitable for State Board and CBSE syllabus for nursery to Standard 7, detailed lesson plan guidelines, digital and traditional teaching aids, virtual classrooms, worksheets and workbooks, assessment and evaluations, teachers training to develop academic skills as well as soft skills, and parents orientation. In a nutshell, a complete support system to create tomorrow's successful, positive, global citizens. Parisar Asha continuously conducts innovative workshops for educators to keep them abreast with the latest kinds of educational techniques.
I was able to use modern methods of the teaching and learning experience, and that too without much of an expenditure, which I find a very great asset since our schools are catering to the middle class and the lower middle class. This is the wonderful aspect of Parisar Asha.
Children will come to school with a very light school bag. They would just have a tiffin box, a water bottle and their school calendar and come to school. It's so ironical that state government has woken up to this now, but this has happened with Parisar Asha, with Agnels since 1989, so it's a long time, almost 26-27 years. The lesson plans that we made the first year was not repeated the next year. It was changed every year. It is not teaching any longer. A teacher had to be only a facilitator.
Our school believes that the school is an extension of every home. So by following Parisar Asha's approach, we are actually actualizing the school's mission. So we find that the teaching and learning not only happens in an interesting manner in school, but it also happens at home, because parents also pick up these methods of teaching in order to work with their children at home. So it is spreading, and the child really becomes the center of adult collaboration, which is how Gloria described Parisar Asha's work. She said, always the child is the most important person. All of us are collaborating. So many a times in schools you find that parents and teachers work as two teams, opposite teams. But this method helps parents and teachers to work as one team, because we become partners in bringing up the child.
Environment, school, teacher, and parent. These are very important factors in the child's learning process. To complete this chain and to address parental issues, Parisar Asha has launched a free helpline number for parents.
It gives me great pleasure to be here at this global symposium on soul and education organized by Parisar Asha, which is taking government's initiative of right to education a step further by promoting right to right education. I am glad to see that educators from various places are coming together to discuss learning techniques which will take both students and teachers to the next level in learning and educating.
It's really an honor to be invited for this lovely creative summit that has been organized by Parisar Asha, who through their activity-based experiential learning pedagogy, through their various professional upgradation skills for the teachers, who through their various positive helpline for the parents, who through their concept of providing mentors for the schools have succeeded in placing the child right at the center of education.
समस्येचा विचार करून त्यावर उपाययोजना करणं आणि ती जी उपाययोजना आपण करू त्यातून सकारात्मक दृष्टिकोनातून काहीतरी निर्णय किंवा निर्णयापर्यंत पोहोचणं, अशा दृष्टिकोनातून परिसर आशा या संस्थेच्या माध्यमातून समाजामधल्या विद्यार्थ्यांच्या किशोरवयीन अवस्थेतील मुलांच्या समस्यांचा विचार करून या ठिकाणी त्यांच्या मदतीसाठी आणि पालकांच्या मदतीसाठी हेल्पलाइन सुरू करण्यात आलेली आहे.
ये जो काम कर रहे हैं, द वे आई हैव सीन परिसर आशा ग्रो ओवर द लास्ट फ्यू इयर्स, जब से मैं जुड़ी हूँ, आई फाइंड दैट्स वेरी इनकरेजिंग.
अगर आर्ट को यूज़ किया जाए एज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एजुकेशन, so definitely it stays for a longer time with children. It will remain forever in their minds, and I think that is what Parisar Asha is doing, and it's such a beautiful thing that they are doing. I wish them all the very best in future, because this kind of work is very rare, and I hope it just goes all over the world.
I'm so happy to see this kind of development in India. It's not only in Maharashtra. I think now, as the organizer was saying, that Parisar Asha has reached to so many other states. They are also planning international.
I know that how many parents spend so much of time, effort, energy, and most of it money on international education, where Parisar Asha is locally providing all the elements of those international education in their own curriculum.
हर बच्चा स्टार बनने वाला है इंडिया का. उस तरह से जो परिसर आशा रास्ता दिखा रहा है, मेरे ख्याल से हर बच्चा आपसे प्यार करने लगा, ना कि डरेगा.
आपके जैसे लोग और पार्टिसिपेट करें, एजुकेशन सिस्टम को थोड़ा सुधारें, थोड़ा क्रिएटिव ही बनाएं, जैसी आपकी थिंकिंग है, तो मैं बड़ी खुश हो जाऊंगी, क्योंकि आई एम अ पेरेंट टुडे.
Because everything is totally on this बगी बाहर करो. और मैं तो कई बार बोलता हूँ कि ये अपने एग्जाम पैटर्न जो अभी है क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की, ये हम बाहर करने पर है, और इन वे वो 3 इडियट्स के हिसाब से वी आर प्रोड्यूसिंग चतुर्लिंगम्स. लेकिन आई वांट टू प्रोड्यूस रांचोस.
Parisar Asha believes that school education must present our children with a gift that offers a creative beginning, the wonder of exploratory learning, the confidence in discovering one's strengths, the hope for a better future, overall, a way of life that is worth living.
Thank you, Parisar Asha.
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 We need each other to change the world, in fact, to rediscover. Let's come together to provide a joyful learning experience to our students for a better and happy tomorrow.
We need each other.